What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys here how to buy Audius. And Audius is basically a decentralized music sharing streaming protocol that facilitates direct transactions between listeners and creators, giving everyone the freedom to distribute, monetize, and stream any audio content, which is pretty unique. I haven't seen any crypto out there that has a project like this. So right here on CoinGecko, if you go to Audius and you scroll down, you'll see all the exchanges that they provide Audius on, and Binance is one of them. So if you live outside of the United States, you can buy Audius on Binance. But in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to buy Audius in the United States. And as you guys can see, Crypto.com is one of them. Gate.io is also one of them. But the difference between the two is, on Crypto.com, it's way easier for beginners. The first 30 days that you guys sign up, you can use any credit card or debit card and buy any crypto. And you can also link your bank as well. On Gate.io, it's similar to like Kucoin, where you can't link any banks. I think you could buy on credit card, but there's like a pretty big fee on that. But the way you buy on that is you basically sign up, make your account, and then you send crypto, and then you convert that crypto to USDT or a stable coin, and then with that you can buy Audius or any crypto. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you guys here the ultimate beginner's guide for people living in the United States, how to buy Audius the easiest way possible. So you guys are gonna want to make a Crypto.com account. I'm gonna leave my link in the description below. You guys can use my link and use my referral code. So after you make your account, which is pretty simple. So the cool thing about Crypto.com is the first 30 days they let you buy with any debit card or credit card for free. There's no fees on that. After that, I think there's like a 3% fee or something like that. But the first 30 days you can use that and basically buy Audius or any cryptos in this app. And then after that, you can also connect your bank and buy with your bank that way, which is great. This is awesome for beginners that are just starting out into crypto. So to find Audius, you just go right here to track, and they do have it here. They also have a lot of coins that they show but aren't supported, but Audius is one of the ones that is supported that you can basically buy. So we're just gonna search up here audio, and boom, right there. And then all you gotta do is click buy audio. After you click buy audio, you have three ways here. You can either use the credit card. Like I said, your first 30 days there's no fees at all, so you can use the credit card. You can use your crypto wallet with USDC, or you can use your fiat wallet and buy with that. Obviously I don't have any money right here, but with your fiat wallet you can send money from your bank. After connecting your bank, you send the money from your bank. It should be in here. As you guys can see, it says USD compared to the crypto wallet, which is USDC. Here it's USD, right? Because you're sending that money from your bank. And then you just click right here at the bottom, buy, and you should be able to buy with that. Now to connect your bank, you just go right here to your fiat wallet. And then right here on your fiat wallet, you just click transfer, and then you should be able to connect your bank that way. It's very simple. And then you just go right here, like I said, go to track coins, go to audio, click audio, and then you can buy Audius. And you can actually send it to any other crypto wallet out there, because on Crypto.com, you have wallets for all of your cryptos. So that's how you buy Audius in the United States for beginners, the easiest way that I found how to buy in the United States. Like I said, you also have Gate.io, but Gate.io is a little bit harder, but that's how you buy Audius for beginners. If you guys like the video, leave a like, comment below. If you guys want to join a crypto group, join my crypto group in the Facebook and Reddit, and definitely check out my Patreon. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.